Hi, I'm Caleb with DIY Bonsai. This episode is all about wire. There are really only a few sizes of wire that you're going to need. Let's talk about it. Most wire is either aluminum or copper. All of this here on the table is aluminum wire. Some of this is either too small or too big for normal use. Most of the time I'm going to use 3 or 4 sizes of wire. It depends on the branch or trunk that I'm wiring, but generally I'm going to use 2 millimeter, 3.5 millimeter, or 4 millimeter wire. I get these in large rolls from my local supplier, or you can get them on the internet in many cases as well. I also have some larger wire. I can't remember what the size on this one is, but it's really, really large. It's easily twice as large as my 4 millimeter wire here, so maybe it's an 8 millimeter wire, something like that. It's really only useful for wiring large trunks. I also have really ridiculously small wire here. I don't have any idea what size this is, but I don't use this very often. In many cases, it just cuts into the plant and it doesn't become that useful. It can be used for guy wires, but I just have a ridiculous amount of it, so that's not that useful to me. Hopefully this information was helpful to you. Feel free to jump in the comments and let me know what's helpful to you, or if you use wire sizes that are different, or if you find a variety of copper that's more useful than the aluminum that I'm using. Most of all, thanks for watching.